Speed.
Now you get the camera out after I mastered it.
Should have waited. How do you feel? Hey, hold up.
Good stuff.
Go, 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 go.
Momentum, push.
Yeah.
You got it.
Nice. Yeah.
Ooh, nice. I like that line there.
Hold up.
Finish line. I didn't know about the finish line.
If you really want to take the finish line, you keep rolling up that rock and do the big huck off the end. Well, now you say it.
that would be the finish.
Grand finale.
If you really want to impress us, you would do that completely different.
Dude, this does not look hard from this direction.
Actually, so
I need to be on the bottom.
do something amazing.
Right, I need to be down there. This looks too easy from up here.
Push it. Keep going. Keep going.
To your left, to your left.
Nice. Good work.